Ophthalmology, the medical specialty caring for people with eye disease, is an area of exceptional activity in health data research and artificial intelligence. Many sight-threatening diseases are common, notably age-related macular degeneration, diabetic eye disease, glaucoma and cataract. In the UK alone, around 600,000 people have macular degeneration, and around 300,000 people need cataract surgery every year. In the UK, within the NHS, around 10% of all hospital outpatient activity is for eye-related conditions. Data-driven approaches enable us to deliver eye care more effectively, more safely and more efficiently. None of the principles here are unique to ophthalmology, but I use them here as illustrative. First, we use data for audit and benchmarking. The UK's Royal College of Ophthalmologists established a national ophthalmology database in 2010, which collects surgeon and hospital level data for cataract surgery, but importantly with enough clinical data to support an understanding of the complexity of the cases involved. This increases safety by identifying any areas of concern and enabling interventions to be put in place to drive up quality. However, these types of data sets, these really large data sets and preferably nationwide, can also be used for research. In this example, they've been used to generate new insights such as what patient risk factors increase their risk during surgery. These are now incorporated into prediction models that enable us to better counsel patients before their operation as to their likelihood of encountering a problem. And that also helps guide the doctors as to the type of surgery or the seniority of surgeon required. In macular degeneration and diabetic eye disease, large-scale multi-center datasets, sometimes of hundreds of thousands of patients, are providing new insights into diseases, helping accelerate the development and regulatory approval of new therapies. One of the most exciting areas in data for eye health is the development of AI systems for screening and diagnosis. In fact, the first AI system approved by the FDA for any intended use was an ophthalmic application. This was the IDX system for use in screening for diabetic retinopathy, approved in 2018. This is based on standard retinal photographs, so 2D images. But in the same year, the partnership led by Moorfields Eye Hospital UK and DeepMind published their major breakthrough of retinal diagnosis, which could detect over 50 different retinal diseases at human level performance. Ophthalmology is particularly suited for data-driven technologies because many conditions depend on an agreed standardized set of data, often supported by imaging, which again is standardized. These datasets are particularly suitable for machine learning and deep learning approaches, creating novel tools which hold the potential for earlier diagnosis, more efficient screening, and even entirely novel insights into systemic health, not just eye health. I'm really excited about this last area, something we called oculomics, in which the eye provides a window into what is happening in the rest of the body. Ophthalmic scanning systems, known as OCT, or optical coherence tomography, provide high-resolution images down to a few microns and can mirror what is happening elsewhere in the body, notably in vascular tissues and in the brain. Using this data, researchers have developed models that can predict risk of cardiovascular events, dementia, and many other systemic health conditions. As these scanners are increasingly rolled out into the high street, I anticipate it will become standard for them to be combined with algorithms that provide referral guidance, not just for eye conditions, but providing oculomic profiles when you go to your optician to give you systemic health risks that need to be addressed. Eye health is a really important area for people's quality of life, with large, standardized datasets of tabular and imaging data, ideally suited for health data research and innovation, including the development and application of AI systems at scale that will detect sight-threatening diseases early and guide treatment to improve people's outcomes.